Are you excited to get out and travel like I am? I am getting ready to take a trip to the desert in Arizona. Come pack with me. Hi y'all, if you are new here, then welcome. My name is Lori. And if you've been here before, then thanks so much for dropping back in. Welcome back. I am guessing that you, just like me, want to have everything you need with you when you travel and nothing that you don't. Maybe you are working towards or even have transitioned to becoming a carry-on only traveler, but you're still not super confident in your packing strategy yet. Let me promise you, if I can do this, anybody can do this because I am a reformed overpacker. And all we need to become efficient carry-on only travelers is a good plan. So I've already done my planning piece. And if you'd like to see a video on how I actually do my planning for each of my travel capsules, drop down into the comments below and let me know. I've already noted all my planned activities for both the daytime and the evening, and then my outfit formulas that I've created to meet the needs of each of those activities. Now I just need to pull the pieces and pack them up. Now this travel capsule does include 2 linen pieces that I'm going to be traveling with, so I'm going to start my packing with a little bundling method to protect those linen pieces from becoming a crazy wrinkly mess that I'll be embarrassed to wear because I'll feel sloppy. So I'm going to start with my bundle. If you've been here on my channel, Life with Lori, before, then you probably know that I am all about a capsule wardrobe, because for me, a capsule wardrobe, my concept of a capsule anyway, ensures that I get the most use possible out of everything in my closet, and it allows me to pack a travel capsule super efficiently. Now I'm starting my bundle with my black linen pants. The next piece I'm going to put in my bundle is this linen crop top. It's very boxy. It's very slightly cropped. It hits me just like right at the waist. It's not really cropped, but it does have a slight crop to it. Next, I'm going to place my white linen bomber jacket. I got this jacket on Etsy, and it's actually a men's jacket, but I feel like I don't look like a man in any man clothing. So I don't mind shopping in the men's department, just like I shop in the ladies department. And then the last linen piece for this travel capsule are these navy linen shorts. So in linen, I've got the black pants and the navy shorts, the blue boxy crop top, and the white linen bomber jacket. For me, linen is one of my favorite fabrics to wear everywhere, but especially in those hot desert climates, because covering your skin protects you from the sun. I burn really easily. Of course, I will be wearing sunscreen, but even then I could still burn. So I like to wear something that can protect my skin a bit from that sun, but still breathes, so I don't feel overheated while I'm in the desert. Next, I'm going to add pieces that don't wrinkle, but do add bulk to my bundle packing. I need that bulk to wrap these linen pieces around. You'll see in a minute. So I have this beige tank, my navy blue sweater. I'll wear the navy blue sweater probably over a dress when we go out to dinner, because as hot as it is in the desert, the restaurants are air conditioned, so it gets cold. The navy sweater is perfect to keep me warm and cozy when I'm out in those cold restaurants. The next piece I'm adding to my bundle are my 2 knit leisure wear pieces. It's just a pair of navy blue joggers and a matching tank. I always travel with a leisure outfit, so I can just run downstairs and grab a cup of coffee, or if anybody comes to the door, I can be able comfortable answering the door in my room without feeling like I have to get all dressed up for my day, but I'm out of my pajamas. So now I'm going to start the bundle. The key to the bundle is just wrap. The bundle really works by decreasing the number of folds that are in your pieces. And when you decrease the number of folds in the pieces, you decrease the wrinkling. So there's my bundle. Now, my bundle doesn't look great, but it works great, and that's what's important to me. Let's get it packed. I'm going to start filling my suitcase with my shoes. I always like to pack my shoes first, just because I don't want the soles of my shoes up against any of my clothing items. I always wipe my shoes down before I put them away in my closet, but even still, they're not perfectly clean. In goes the bundle. Next, I'm going to pack my hat. Hats are always a little tricky to pack, so because you don't want them to get crunched, I'm going to take my swimsuit and my swimsuit cover-up, and I'm going to stuff them in my hat to keep it shaped. Now I'm going to take some of my other pieces and start folding them, placing them around the hat to help keep its shape on the outside. The swimsuit and the swimsuit cover-up will help keep its shape on the inside, but I also need something to help keep its shape on the outside, because the hat can get crunched from both sides. My travel capsule for any trip over 5 days always includes 5 tops, 4 bottoms, 2 dresses, 2 layers, and 3 pairs of shoes. I've learned that this is the perfect quantity of clothing for me to take. If I'm going to be traveling for more than 7 days, I just simply plan to do laundry along the way. I have learned along the way that the only way this travel capsule works for me is if all 5 tops create an outfit with all 4 bottoms. If I mess up on that, then even I, in my travel capsule world, can get tripped up. So the most important thing to remember in putting together your travel capsule of 5 tops, 4 bottoms, 2 dresses, 2 layers, and 3 pairs of shoes is that every single top, all 5 of your tops have to match with every single bottom, all 4 bottoms. Because that right there, just if those 5 tops match those 4 bottoms, then you have the possibility of 20 different outfit looks while you're traveling. And this is what keeps you from getting bored with a small number of clothing pieces while you're out traveling. Now I'm gonna grab my undies and sleepwear and get them in this bag, and then we'll cut to the next section. Now this is the game-changing feature right here that makes this carry-on bag my ultimate favorite. And it is this integrated garment hanger. This thing is so incredibly useful. And this is where I like to pack my dresses. So I've got 2 dresses in a wrap here. I'm just gonna hook the 2 hangers right onto the hanger holder and start strapping them in. Everything nice and neat. And you can see the dresses are slightly longer than the garment holder, so I just flip them up and then flip them again and zip it closed. So in this bag, I have 5 tops, 4 bottoms, 2 dresses, 2 layering pieces, all my jammies, my undies, my swimwear and my swimwear cover-up, and even my leisure outfit. I'm gonna be packing up my toiletries, my makeup, and my electronics in my backpack, and then heading out to the airport. Once we get to the desert, we'll be unpacking. Let's get to it. All right, we're just in from the airport. We've made it to Arizona, so now it's time to get unpacked. This morning, right before we were getting ready to leave for the airport, my husband told me that we have a dinner that we need to attend this evening that I need a cocktail dress for. So I quickly threw an appropriate dress into my bag, even though it wasn't part of my original packing list. That's okay. Sometimes things happen like that, right? So what are you gonna do? So this is why I have 3 dresses instead of my normal 2 dresses that I travel with. And you can see, all 3 of these dresses were part of my recent spring summer 2023 dress haul from Amazon. So all these dresses are from Amazon, and this is the dress I'll be wearing to the dinner this evening. I've got my Turkish towel I always travel with, and also a wrap just in case it gets cold in some of these restaurants. I'm very fortunate in this room. There is plenty of yoga space, so I'm pretty excited about that. Hi y'all, so today we are taking a little walk through the Phoenix Botanical Gardens, and as you can see, even in the desert, there are beautiful outdoor spaces to explore. And I'm wearing the navy linen shorts and the white embroidery top and the comfy walking shoes because my feet are old. Like, I don't need sexy shoes to walk in the desert. I'm good. So that's it. Now we're home from the desert. It's time to get unpacked, get some laundry done, and get ready for our next adventure. We had a great time in the desert, and I hope y'all enjoyed coming along with us. I've got a lot of trips coming up this year, even one to Europe, where we're going to spend a few weeks in Europe later on this fall. If you would like to see more of this travel capsule planning and packing, and then how the outfits come together on my trip, I do hope you will consider subscribing to the channel if you're ready. If you don't want to subscribe to the channel, don't worry about it. No harm, no foul. It doesn't really matter that much anyway. I appreciate it. But if you don't want to do it, don't do it. No worries. You still have an open invitation to come back and hang out with me whenever you like, because I will be here. I will be either right here in this room making videos, or somewhere out in the world making videos. But either way, I can't wait to see you in the next video. So until I see you over here or here, I'm not sure where the video is, but until I see you in this next video, bye y'all.